Right, hello and welcome back to Lynchy Outdoors. We've got this camping trip been planned for a few weeks now. We're in the Lake District. We've got a 7.5 mile hike up to Helvellyn, and then we're camping on Red Tarn for the night. Some more adventures in the morning. We're gonna head up there, get camp set up, chill out, and yeah, I'll see you shortly. Well, it's bloody roasting, I tell you that. Beautiful views though, just look at this. You can't quite beat that. But we've still got about maybe an hour and a half to walk. We've got some fresh water running up the top here, so we're going to have a break there and refill the water bottles, have a bit of a dip. Yeah, it's a good walk. Heavy bag's full, as you can see. But we plod on. I'm just thinking about food tonight. Starving I am. Well, hello again. We've just stopped off at this waterfall. Refilled the bottles, but I've got to say, just look at this view. It's almost slow, but it's absolutely stunning. We've not quite made it to Red Tarn on Helvellyn yet. Helvellyn, sorry. I always get that mixed up. But I think we're going to camp on the top of here for tonight. More adventures tomorrow. Gonna get some food in us, have a beer. We've come quite a way up, so I think we deserve a break, chill out. But I don't know whether you can see, but the clouds are coming in over the mountains there. Looks pretty cool. So we came up from down there, down to the left, down there. We've travelled all the way up through this valley. And I think the bags are a bit too heavy. We should have probably packed down a bit more. But, you know, we're learning. This is pretty much a build-up to something next year that I want to try. It's going to be a tough one anyway, so yeah. So I'll edit Paul out. We've come further up now, and we've found ourselves a friend.
Meet Elsie the sheep.
Alright, mate. Hey up. Oh, he's got a friend. Alright, mate. Alright, mate. Oh, I'm just passing through. You no need to cause some gang war. Oh, there's 3 of them, Paul.
Oh, I've got my battery ready.
We're in dangerous territory here. Many people die each year through sheep attacks.
We're going to be the next ones.
We're just passing through, lads. No need gang up, yeah? Alright, mate. How's it going? Are you a bit camera shy, pal?
He's posing.
Camera shy? Oh, my legs are burning. Lovely house you've got though.
Cracking house.
Bloody beautiful. Look at the little lamb. Enjoy your food, pal. See you again. Ah, it's a long way to the top. If I want to get copyrighted. Yeah! Oh, I feel like we're getting close. Whoa! We're 3/4 there. Woo! Oh, gee. I can't wait for some food, I tell you that. Some food. A brew. A nice brew on, look at that. Beautiful. Oh, it's getting a bit windy now, but that's good. We've been sweating all day. Oh wow, look at that. We're there soon. Let's have a look at this view. Might take 5 on this wall. I thought I heard water then, but oh, I do hear water.
I don't see water.
Where are you? Oh, would you look at that? Beautiful. It's a bit windy, so you probably can't hear me, but I think that's us done for today. We're going to try and find somewhere to pitch up, get tents set up, get some food in us. So yeah, I'll see you again. So in this next part, we see a very rare, wild, Lake District seal.
I've been waiting for you to absolutely dash it in. Do you want some of this?
Duck the joke!
Was it worth it?
Oh,
Was it worth it?
should probably go under.
No.
Just go under.
I don't want to.
Oh. Oh.
Should we use this, Ellis?
It's flighting. Oh, it's bloody warm actually.
Absolutely rusty.
It's like a jacuzzi. Oh.
Food sounds good right now.
Are we still recording? Yeah. Well, that was bloody cold. Oh, what a way to end the day, eh? Absolutely freezing. I'm going to get some food on now, get warm, dried, and I'll see you soon. Well, after that cold swim anyway, we're getting some food on now. So, we've got some camping meals. Paul's on meatballs and pasta, and I'm having spicy sausage and pasta. And instead of getting the pans dirty, we're just going to drop the packets in, leave them open at the top. So then we can pack up straight away in the morning and get going on our trip. Just waiting for the water to boil now. And then we'll get them cooking. Can't wait, I'm starving. So we've had to set up a little wind block, makeshift wind block. We've got Paul's food on the go, heating up. I've never tried this before, like putting the whole packet in the pan, but I don't see why it wouldn't work. Just ready for some food now, absolutely starving. Unfortunately we've not got a sunset, blocked off by the mountain behind us. But yeah, overall for the first day it's not been a bad trip. Gonna have a brew after my food, have my beer before I go to bed. Should be all good.
Oh, speaking of which.
How's the food, Paul?
Absolutely fantabby-dozy.
Beautiful. I can't wait for this. Absolutely starving I am. Go on! Well, my food's done. It's absolutely gorgeous. I couldn't have asked for better after the day we've had of mooching. So I'm going to eat this. We're going to have a brew. Just going to chill out. Bloody lovely. I'd give you some if you was here. Got the water boiling for the brews. And the sheep in the background somewhere. Where are they? Somewhere on there. And we've got this to ourselves. Stunning. It's like a horror film. Fog's rolling in. The clouds have caught up with us from before. Look at that though. Beautiful. Except from these bloody midges. It's just stunning. I'm very tempted to go and have a walk over there. Get a video on that point. See what it's looking like down in the valley. Tomorrow we're either thinking of going up there or going across that way. Well, follow this round all the way around there and then up past this to Helvellyn. That's it for tonight. This should be episode 1 done and dusted. Episode 2 will be tomorrow. I hope you've all enjoyed, and I'll see you in the next one.